Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, October 21st, 2022. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're doing the morning cattle move. Next Monday, this coming Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days, we're expected 97% chance to get 1 inch of rain. As the warm air is coming up right now, Monday's going to switch to the cold air from the north. I can feel the wind blowing from the south. And so Monday it's going to switch. We're going to get some rain. I'm looking forward to it. Get out of there, pole. There we go. That's number 20. No, that's metal tag. That's metal tag. You know, I should feed the sheep. I should bring the sheep food. It's just sitting there. You want to lick my fingers? Huh? Want to lick my fingers? The sheep look so much better after they had a shower in the rain. The dust was really getting in their coats. There are some good spots of grass here. This one's pretty soft. Oh, hey, you do want to say hi. Some of the grass is pretty long. The yellow brown grass has some green in it. That's the Bermuda. Here's a stand. I think that's that liver seed grass. You can see it's now brown. It really is a warm season grass. It does not like the cold temperatures. Wait, is this some more liver seed coming up, or is that something else? Don't know. This is an old paddy. You can see how quickly they degrade. That's what I want to see. I want to see a pasture that can absorb these paddies and do something with the nutrients, turning them into more grass. I didn't get the soil tested this year. I did last year. It was low on nitrogen. It was slightly acidic, enough that it was kind of outside the range of what clover wants. And there were some other deficiencies, but not much. I'm not sure that I actually took a good soil sample. I followed their instructions the best I could, but you know, next time I do this, I'm going to do it slightly differently. I think what you're supposed to do is dig a hole about the depth of your shovel, and then take like a slice from so you're getting the top all the way to the bottom. You put that in a 5-gallon bucket and you mix it up really well. And then you put a little bit in the bag for the sample. Yeah, here's a bunch of that liver seed oil. It's brown, you know. And, you know, I had the idea of writing a program to find random spots in your field. It's not a hard algorithm to do, especially because most fields aren't like the size of the earth. They're a lot smaller. So you can just assume that the distance between like a small change in latitude or longitude is pretty much uniform. Maybe not in the latitude direction and the longitude direction, but you know, if you change a tiny degree in longitude, it's not going to change versus another area too far from where you're at. And the same for latitude. So what you can do is just randomly generate a number between 0 and 1, multiply it by the difference between your latitude and longitudes, and get 2 coordinates that way to find a random spot in your field. You can use your phone with GPS and walk to that point in the field and take a sample. The other thought I had was, if you took like a satellite photo of your farm, and I'm just thinking of like low cost ways, I'm not thinking of something big, but if you took a satellite photo of your farm and it kind of identified like the different colors in the different parts of your farm, and then you told it like, I'm going to do 6 different samples or 3 different samples, and it kind of figured out for you contiguous regions that are very similar to each other, and then gave you random points within those regions. Again, just using, you know, a random number generator to find different points and if the points are outside of the region, then you find a different point. You know, I think that would work. I should write an app. I actually did write an app, but it's not pretty. You know, I can write programs, I just can't make them pretty. That's my limitation. We have here think this is some of that milkweed. Yeah, that's probably milkweed. He does not look like he's too happy. There's a stalk of grass. I don't know where that came from, but that's a long stalk of grass. Let's kind of look at the pasture there and just in. Lots of patties, that's a good sign. The patties look really good. These are very healthy patties. I'm gonna I'm not to the point yet where I like sticking my foot in the patty. Other ranchers, they don't even think about it. They just wipe it out and see what's inside. You know, these patties look pretty good. I can't complain. It's like a minefield out here. I guess the density goes up and you get more patties per square inch. You know, this one, there's a lot of feed in there. And it's supposed to be flatter. It's piling up. That's a sign they're getting too much fiber and not enough protein. I mean, in wintertime, like when they're on hay, they would make patties like that. So I am not too concerned about it. You know, the problem with the big patties though is they don't flatten out. And they stick around for a long time. So maybe we need to bring the protein buckets out. I think I shall. Yeah, so next time I'll bring a protein bucket out and see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye-bye.